had another discussion with a melanated woman about BMI. A lot of melanated women feel that the chart doesn't apply to them. And I totally understand and get where they're coming from. They're also using it as an excuse to be overweight. To say that, no, I'm not overweight, I'm thick. And I get it to a certain extent because as a melanated woman, we carry more fat in our behind, hips and thighs majority of the time. So I get where that scale could seem like it's a little off. On the scale, it was underweight, healthy weight, overweight, and obese. So if you're pushing closer to obese and not even pushing closer to overweight, you're pushing close to obese, we got to stop saying that we're thick, we're big boned, and basically just being okay with being obese. You know, some people, they're like 5'2" and they weigh more than me, and I'm 5'10". And I said to the person I was talking to, I said, pushing obese, you're not even pushing overweight. I said, you're 5'2" and you're almost 200 pounds. We got to really stop and think. I mean, especially when Black women are leading in hypertension, heart disease, diabetes, especially with the heart disease and diabetes. That's just going hand in hand from the people that I've been working with. And it's kind of like, well, something got to give. And to constantly say that, you know, I'm thick or I'm a BBW, when in reality that you're obese, you're overweight, and you need to lose some of that weight, and sit around and say, no, it's not. I'm big boned. I'm thick. Because you put on a waist slimming product, and now we're making it seem like, oh, I got this hourglass body, so I'm just thick. I don't want to say that the whole BMI scale doesn't apply to melanated women, because once you start hitting that obese side, it applies. And we can be in denial about it, or we can do something about it. If you're ready to do something about it, DM me. We can get started this week. You don't have to keep putting off getting right. You don't have to wait until the new year. And yeah, I know Thanksgiving and Christmas is coming and New Year's is coming and you want to eat, but a lot of us need to learn portion control. With all this stuff that's about to be going on with the pharmacies, it's time for us to go back to natural methods of healing, the natural ways of taking care of our body.